Futures contracts on Bitcoin Cash can be available at a CSE-regulated exchange by the end of this year or the first quarter of 2020. This will allow institutional U.S. investors to trade on a derivative of the cryptocurrency and bring in more trading volume for Beach overall. Also read, each side's native Bitcoin Cash support to its flagship smartphone Bitcoin.com champions Bitcoin Cash future as Bitcoin.com is in discussions about listing a Bitcoin Cash Beach futures contract on a new exchange with approval from the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC. David Shin, the head of the exchange business at Bitcoin.com, expects the new instrument can reach the market by the end of the year, at the first quarter of 2020, and that it will be cash settled on day one. The goal of having a Beach futures contract on a CFTC-regulated venue is to open up the U.S. market so that more institutional traders can gain exposure to the cryptocurrency and thus generate higher trading volumes in total. Additionally, there is interest from some retail brokers in offering trading on such a regulated instrument, and Shin is also in talks with them about the possibility. We are in discussion with the US exchange that will shortly be CFTC approved to list a Beach futures contract to create greater demand for Beach and increase trading volumes, Bitcoin.com CEO Stephen Rust explains. There are two main reasons behind this. First, with Beach futures, institutions will be able to manage the exposure to market volatility better and therefore protect funds under management better, and hence allocate a larger portion of their funds to Beach. Second, with this product, Beach is also accessing a new US financial services market through futures that is CFTC regulated. This is a massive market that is new to Beach. Both of these drive up volumes, which in turn drives up demand for Beach, which will lead to an increase in market value. This is largely driven by futures volumes in the US market increasing demand and ultimately the value. Regulators keep US market behind in crypto adoption. Chicago Mercantile Exchange, CM Group, does offer financially settled BX futures contracts for US investors. However, by global comparison, American regulators have made it very difficult for investors to access the global cryptocurrency market with ETFs, and the same is true for derivatives. For example, a number of companies have been working hard to launch regulated physically delivered Bitcoin futures contracts in the US. But their efforts have so far been hampered by the CFTC. Last month, the CEO of Ledgerx, Paul Chu, had to retract the cryptofans, where that his company went live with Bitcoin futures for retail trading after it received regulatory approval for swaps. Ledgerx launched its institutional trading platform back in 2017 and has been waiting ever since for the specific CFTC approval for the. You can read full post on Cryptofans News, link available in text below.